Do you have any React related problems, or do you want to know any things about related to React? Please don't forget to follow my social media pages on Facebook, Instagram and X. I will be help you to give the answers for your questions, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please comment the below, and I will do my 100% to answer your questions. So in today's video we're gonna build a we're gonna create first React app with using Linux operating system. And without talking too much, I monitor my app. Okay, go to the Google Chrome and uh, type white is the one of the React supporting library that you can easily install React on your VS Code editor on which whatever operating system you use, prefer to Windows or Mac. I think if you're a Linux operating user, this video is for you. So let's get started. So first of all, the npm create white at an latest version you want to copied, and open your VS Code editor, place new window. I think it's open the bullshit. Okay, open new window and open your new folder. First I choosing in my desktop self projects, and I creating a new folder. Sorry, new folder like Pro2. No, I already use Pro2, then I'm using Pro3. Okay, then I opening the terminal with Control Shift plus the upper comma marks and CD, and the project name is Pro03. That's the my folder name, and I paste in that I already used. I paste in the npm create white at latest. I copy here and move to the VS Code and place the code here and keep enter. Now it's running. Yes, print y. Okay, write your project name. I'm writing here something like what? React first app. Yes, package name we first app. I'm using React and with only JavaScript. Yeah, that's all. Now go to the source app and app.js. You can find out how the working. Yeah, now we want to run the code. First of all, you want to cd our project name, cd what do we choose? Sorry, cd react first app. Sorry. Okay, then we want to install npm, so npm install npm install. I like to remind, if you don't install the Node.js, please make sure to install your Node.js into your local operating system. That's why you can use in npm install. If you don't use Node.js, you can't install npm install, so make sure to install the Node.js with the latest version is more suitable, because a lot of buggings and improvements coming with the latest version, so you want to use that. It takes some time to install the npm install. Oh yeah, that's completed. And now this I'm going to npm run dev, npm run dev. Okay, the local, now you can see is working. This is the sample version of what give you to how the React works. Now you can clear all the files in app.jsx and create your own files and make it more and learn your fundamentals. That's it. So if you want to know about how to learn fundamentals and what are the fundamentals I want to learn as a beginner, please don't forget to comment here. I will subscribe my channel as a big support from me to reach 1000 subscribers. Is my biggest request from anyone who watching this video until then. So yeah, bye bye.